Mashing up English. Understanding, mash until creamy. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we make English learning fun and easy. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase that you might come across in cooking contexts. Mash until creamy. This phrase is not only about cooking but also gives us a glimpse into the flexibility and creativity of the English language. So, let's dive in and find out what it's all about. Mash until creamy is a phrase that you often find in recipes, especially those involving vegetables like potatoes. To mash means to crush or smash something into a soft, smooth consistency. It's a physical action, usually done with a tool called a masher. Now, the word until indicates a duration or a point in time when you stop doing something. And creamy, it describes a texture that is smooth, soft, and rich, often similar to cream. So, when a recipe says, mash until creamy, it's instructing you to crush the food until it reaches a smooth and soft texture. Understanding this phrase is crucial for cooking. The texture of food can greatly affect its taste and presentation. When a recipe says, mash until creamy, it's guiding you to achieve the perfect texture. Not following this instruction might result in a dish that's too lumpy or too runny. It's all about finding that sweet spot where the food is neither too hard nor too soft but just perfectly creamy. Interestingly, this phrase can also be used metaphorically. In English, we often use cooking terms to describe other processes. For example, mash until creamy could be used to describe the process of working on a project until it becomes smooth and flawless, devoid of any rough edges. It's a creative way to use language to paint a vivid picture of the process of refining or perfecting something. And that's a wrap on mash until creamy. We hope this video has not only clarified a cooking instruction for you but also shown you how versatile and imaginative the English language can be. Remember, language learning is not just about words and grammar. It's also about understanding context and culture. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be mashing up English phrases like a pro. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.